been here.
Huyu contractor anafanya maneno gani hapa?
Anaenda very slowly, Excellency. In fact, since November,
Yes.
when we call him and reach the level of warning,
Yes.
then he go to the site. So far, the president of one say is about 4%. Done some more excavation.
What?
Yes.
Yes. So he has no certificate.
No certificate so far. In fact, even the office of the resident engineer is just when it's completed.
Where is his representative? Is he here?
Yes.
So maneno iko hapa na maneno. I was here 3 months ago, almost 4 months ago, and we agreed on what should be done here, but it's not happening. No. In fact, PS issued the last warning for these things.
40.
In the next
There's a side meeting.
Yes.
There's a side meeting which has been planned for third. Yes.
Which is 2 days from today.
Yeah.
Right. So in that meeting, who is going to come here?
I think I'll now have to come.
You come yourself?
Yes, I'll have to come. Yeah.
Give very firm instructions to this contractor. This is unacceptable. This is unacceptable. So, you will get a final warning, my friend, on that. If you don't pull up your socks, I'm sorry. We will have to terminate this contract, get another contractor, so that we can get this cancer center off the ground. It's just as simple as that. There is no fight, there is no quarrel. You just have to do what you have to do. And I will not allow this kind of work to, because you've been paid all the money that requires. There is no pending certificate. There is no reason whatsoever why this project is not on. So that's one, that information to be very clear. There are very many contractors like you who are letting us down, and we will not allow them. This is the year for delivery. This is the year that we must get everything done the way we have planned. We've laid out all the plans. This is the year ya kuhakikisha kwamba kila kitu inakwenda sawa. So just tell your big boss. So PS, you be here yourself on Thursday. On that. Yeah. So with all the relevant other people. Yes.